Sugar is a staple ingredient in kitchens around the world. From sweetening our coffee to baking desserts, it plays a vital role in countless recipes. But have you ever stopped to wonder how sugar is made? How does something that starts as a plant end up as the white, crystalline sweetness we use every day? Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of sugar production, from planting and harvesting to refining and packaging. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look at how sugar is made, step by step. Stay with us till the end to uncover surprising facts about this everyday ingredient, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating factory tours. Part 1. The beginning: planting and harvesting sugar crops. Sugar production starts on sprawling farms, where two main crops dominate the industry: sugarcane and sugar beets. These plants are the raw materials for most of the sugar consumed worldwide. Sugarcane, a tall grass, thrives in tropical climates with plenty of sunshine and water. It takes about 12 to 18 months for sugarcane to mature. Farmers plant the stalks, which grow into tall, bamboo-like plants filled with sweet juice. Sugar beets, on the other hand, are root vegetables grown in cooler climates. They take about 6 to 9 months to mature and are harvested when their sugar content reaches its peak. Once ready, the crops are harvested using heavy machinery. For sugarcane, towering stalks are cut at their base and stripped of leaves. The stalks are transported to nearby mills for processing. For sugar beets, the roots are uprooted, cleaned, and sent to processing facilities. Part 2. Extracting the sweet juice, the first step. At the mill or processing plant, the first step is to extract the sweet juice from the harvested crops. For sugarcane, the stalks are washed to remove dirt and debris. They are then fed through massive rollers that crush the stalks, squeezing out their juice. This juice, known as cane juice, is collected in large tanks, while the leftover fibrous material, called bagasse, is often used as fuel to power the mill. For sugar beets, the roots are sliced into thin strips, known as cassettes. These strips are soaked in hot water to extract the sugar content. The resulting liquid, known as raw beet juice, is collected for further processing. Part 3. Purification, turning juice into syrup. The raw juice extracted from sugarcane or sugar beets contains impurities that need to be removed. This is where the purification process comes in. The juice is first heated to kill any bacteria and improve its flow. Lime or other chemicals are added to the juice to neutralize acids and help the impurities clump together. These impurities are then removed through filtration or sedimentation. After purification, the juice is thickened by boiling it in large evaporators. The water content is reduced, and the juice is transformed into a thick syrup. This syrup is rich in sugar but still contains some color and impurities, which will be addressed in the next stages. Part 4. Crystallization, forming sugar crystals. The syrup is now ready to be turned into sugar crystals. This process begins by boiling the syrup under vacuum conditions, which allows it to reach high temperatures without burning. As the syrup boils, tiny seed crystals are added. These crystals act as a base, encouraging the sugar molecules in the syrup to form larger crystals. Over time, the syrup thickens and crystallizes. Once the crystallization process is complete, the mixture of sugar crystals and syrup, known as masquite, is spun in large centrifuges. These machines separate the crystals from the remaining liquid, leaving behind raw sugar crystals. Part 5. Refining, from raw to pure sugar. Raw sugar crystals still contain some impurities and color, so they are sent to a refinery for further processing. This step ensures the sugar meets the high standards of purity required for consumption. The refining process begins by dissolving the raw sugar in hot water to create a liquid solution. This solution is filtered and treated with carbon or other agents to remove any remaining color and impurities. The purified solution is then boiled again, repeating the crystallization process. This time, the resulting sugar crystals are pure white and ready for packaging. Part 6. Quality control, ensuring consistency. Before packaging, the sugar undergoes strict quality control checks to ensure it meets industry standards. Samples are tested for purity, crystal size, and moisture content. Advanced equipment and automated systems ensure consistency across batches. Any sugar that doesn't meet the required standards is recycled and reprocessed, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Part 7. Packaging and distribution, getting sugar to you. Once the sugar passes quality checks, it's time to package it for distribution. Sugar is packaged in various forms, from large industrial bags to small packets for household use. The packaging process is fully automated, with machines filling, sealing, and labeling each bag or container. These packages are then organized on pallets and shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and factories around the world. Part 8. Types of sugar, more than just white crystals. Sugar comes in many forms, each suited to different culinary needs. White granulated sugar is the most common, but there's also brown sugar, powdered sugar, and raw sugar. Brown sugar contains molasses, giving it a moist texture and a rich, caramel-like flavor. Powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar, is finely ground and perfect for frosting and desserts. Raw sugar retains some of its natural color and flavor, making it popular for specialty products. Each type of sugar undergoes a slightly different refining process to achieve its unique characteristics. Part 9. Sustainability in sugar production. In recent years, the sugar industry has made significant strides in sustainability. Many producers are adopting eco-friendly practices, such as using renewable energy sources and recycling byproducts like bagasse and molasses. Efforts are also being made to reduce water usage and minimize the environmental impact of farming and processing. Sustainable sugar production ensures that future generations can continue to enjoy this essential ingredient. From the fields of sugarcane and sugar beet farms to the sparkling crystals on your kitchen counter, the journey of sugar is a remarkable process that combines nature, science, and technology. Which part of sugar production surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how sugar is made, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating factory tours. See you in the next video.